Bitcoin SV certainly is a low-position coin with the ticker BSV that generally has a current worth of 31.29 and a market capitalization of 602,809,614 Ursidai essentially thought digital currencies generally have genuinely lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists and obscure vendors. In an unobtrusive way these days it's a resource class that basically is considerably managed and surprisingly took on as lawful delicate, which truly is genuinely critical, some sort of huge. Venture banks even gain Bitcoin SV and really other digital currencies altogether to fundamentally safeguard their resources under administration on against the jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors, which essentially is genuinely critical. Presently now is the right time to sort of uncover our short, mid and in every practical sense long-haul expectation of the improvements on the BSV market that truly depend on the readings of our essentially novel crypto unpredictability file that by and large assists us with checking the market feeling and explicitly expect where in which the market means to go in an unobtrusive manner. Especially at this point the cost of Bitcoin SV basically is 31.29 while the coin presently especially winds up at 55th spot in the very generally speaking positioning, or so they especially thought. The said exceptionally positioning is assessed based on the resource's really present value that explicitly is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that most certainly is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients by and large get the most important information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in a for the most part enormous manner. It's likewise vital to sort of consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading, which certainly is genuinely critical. On August 30th the cost of Bitcoin SV really was at 28.41 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change truly added up to 7.54 in a by and large enormous manner. 7 days prior on August 29th BSV truly was esteemed at 35.80, which truly intends that from that point forward the cost truly has changed by 0%, or so they basically thought. A month prior on July 19th the market member laid out the cost of Bitcoin SV at 38.60. In this way the coin explicitly has made an 18.94 move to arrive at its for the most part present standings, and a sort of enormous manner. The examination of market capitalization generally conveys especially equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors, which truly is genuinely huge. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology truly is utilized to sort of decide the very in general position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks. For example, in an unobtrusive way changes in market capitalization sort of certain are fundamentally negative generally are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the sad market could basically be going, as well as the resources for the most part potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both genuinely short and in every way that really matters long-haul viewpoints. This kind of specific fundamentally metric truly is additionally used to check the predominance of Bitcoin SV according to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, or so they thought, to basically decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of BSV. We in a real sense duplicate the flowing stockpile, the boundary that will fundamentally be in a real sense made sense of later by the exceptionally present worth of the digital currency, and under survey starting today the market capitalization of Bitcoin SV especially remains at 602,809,614, which frames the reason for commonly present fundamentally positioning. Certainly was referenced before, exhibiting that this genuinely specific especially metric is likewise used to measure the predominance of Bitcoin SV according to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, which sort of is genuinely huge. On August 30th, the market capitalization of BSV was 547,443,796. A week before, on August 29th, it was 689,820, and a month before, on July 19th, it was 743,655. Total stockpile is the number of coins that have been made, but some have been made through mining or other means. Most of the time, these digital currencies can be used for trading or stored in wallets of investors, which is a huge number. This by and large measurement likewise considers the coins that in every practical sense have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which is applied to control the expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this point, the exceptionally complete stockpile of Bitcoin SV in a real sense is laid out at 19.266077 BSV in a sort of significant manner. Ultimately, the circling supply truly is utilized to by and large ascertain the market capitalization and certainly evaluate the coins, especially current remaining in the positions, which truly is genuinely huge. It indicates the general measure of BSV that explicitly is by and by exchanged across all trades barring the coins that especially are marked locked, frozen, or briefly truly put unavailable for general use out of the blue, or so they in every practical sense thought. It's by and large for the most part accepted that digital currencies that in a real sense have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million for the most part are the most appropriate for essentially long-haul venture, since they in a real sense are generally fundamentally liable to in every way that really matters appreciate and esteem over a drawn-out time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this crossroads, Bitcoin SV has a steady supply of 192666077 coins, which is a given. Over the type over the course of 24 hours, the trading volume for BSV reached 57,516,706 recently on August 30th. The average weighted trading volume recorded at the end of the trading period stayed at 41,263 to 237, which is contrary to what most people think. On August 29th, 7 days earlier, the most common estimate of how much BSV was traded between market members was 33.055911. The crypto unpredictability file CVIX is a part of our price expectation model that helps us predict how Bitcoin SV will move over the next 1 to 5 years. For example, on August 30th, the average weighted trading volume at the end of the trading period was. The really thought CVIX is the result of a lot of hard work by our team of market experts and software engineers. They came up with a great equation for checking and picturing the normal unpredictability of the market and improved it with a creative kind of deep learning equation. Bitcoin price prediction as $5 billion in trading volume puts BTC back in the green. Is it time to buy? In the complicated world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is at the forefront of strategic discussions. Its impressive $5 billion trade volume, which has put the asset back in the black, is a good example of this. Even with this momentum, the commodity is worth about $26,011 as of Monday, which is a slight drop of nearly 0.1%.